password, how to reset, if you're locked out, 2025 guide. Did you forget your Roblox password and now you're locked out of your account? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to reset your Roblox password step by step. Make sure you watch carefully so you don't miss any important detail. Step 1. Go to Roblox login page. First, open your browser or the Roblox app. On the login screen, tap on Forgot Password or Username. If you're using browser, go to the official Roblox website and click on Login. Then select Forgot Password or Username. Step 2. Enter your email address. Now choose the Password tab. Enter the email address that is linked to your Roblox account. Then click Submit. Roblox will send you a password reset email. Step 3. Check your email. Open your email inbox. Find the email from Roblox and click on the Reset Password button. If you don't see the email, check your spam folder. Make sure you entered the correct email. Step 4. Create a new password. Now enter a new strong password. Make sure your password has at least 8 characters, includes numbers and letters, is something you can remember. After that, click Submit. Now your password is successfully changed. What if you don't have access to email? If you no longer have access to your email, then go back to the login page. Tap on Forgot Password or Username. Select Use Phone Number if linked. If you don't have email or phone linked, you'll need to contact Roblox support. Go to the support page on Roblox website and submit a request. Important tips. Never use third-party password recovery websites. They can steal your account. Always reset your password using the official Roblox website or app only. That's how you can reset your Roblox password if you're locked out. If this video helped you, like this video and subscribe to How to Mastery for more simple step-by-step tutorials.